Hey there, Prairie Plant Girl here. The apple tree is loaded. This is a Goodland apple tree, and I'm just harvesting the apples right now. So they've been starting to fall quite a lot in the last few days. So I thought I better get them harvested before they're all on the ground where the ants and other bugs can get at them a little more easily. So I'm just cleaning the tree off, and I'll show you what I got in the end. I mean, there's no rocket science to harvesting an apple. Just find an apple, twist it, and it pops off because it's ready to be picked. So this is what the Goodland looks like. It's a green apple with a little bit of a blush on it. They don't get a whole lot redder. They're a very nice apple. They're a little bit tart, but they also have enough sweetness to eat them fresh, and they last and store really well. I just store them down in my basement in single layers, covered, and they lasted last year for us for I think 3-4 months, something like that. I would just bring them up about a dozen at a time, put them in my fridge, and whatever we couldn't eat or whatever was bruised or a little bit holy or anything, I just cut up and used for baking and gave a bunch away. So we'll see what I get off of this. So far I have over a dozen, and you can't even really tell I was here, so we'll just keep picking. The ladybugs really like to hang out around the stem area, so I have to keep knocking them out. So you'll find somewhere else to be. So that's 4 dozen. There's a couple damaged ones without even getting the ladder out. And there's still a whole bunch I could easily reach right in front of me here. But I'm going to take these that I picked and lay them out downstairs so I can use my basket. So there they are. It's actually almost 4 dozen apples, including these 2 right here. And this one that I dropped when I picked it, and it got a little split on it. So I'm going to take it up to my kitchen so I can use it right away. And then there was a few stowaways, so a few ladybugs. Hopefully they're still in or on the basket here and I can get them outside. Keep picking. Okay, that's another 4 dozen. And I think that cleans off this half of the tree. I don't see any more on there. But there's still lots in the middle there, so lots to do yet. I think I got them all. Dropped quite a few trying to get the top ones because I didn't bring out a proper step ladder. And I've lost count of how many I picked. And these are some that these are some that were on the ground or on the tree that were really kind of grody. This one's really dried up already, so those will just go straight to the compost. So I'll have to give you a final count of what I wound up with, that I wound up keeping. I really can't remember. I'm also baking buns, so I been running in and out of the house doing that and hauling baskets of apples in and unloading them and coming back out. So I'm just not sure. I get asked sometimes about my apple tree and what I do to take care of it, and really I am not an apple expert. I don't fertilize it. Sometimes it'll get a little bit of like bone meal if I'm out working in the garden early in spring and think of it. I'll throw a little around the bottom of the tree. Otherwise it's not getting anything. I do have some drip line connected in, so it does get watered with the garden. So this is a 1/4-inch drip line just coming off of the main line there, and it just goes in a U. I believe it has drippers every 12 inches, connects back up over there. And so that's what this tree is getting. So hopefully you enjoyed doing a little apple picking with me today. If you have an apple tree that you really enjoy, let us know. This is a Goodland, and I'm in Saskatchewan, Canada. It grows really well for me. Like I said, I don't really pamper it or do much to take care of it. and it grows well, and the apples last long and work well for just fresh eating and baking. So let us know what area you're in if you grow apples, and what type of trees you grow that work well in your area, so others watching the video can see that as well. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.